What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we are playing some Don't Press the Button. Go. I have 3 dimes. I don't know how, but I do. Oh, yeah. Who won? 17? Damn. Right. Bring up the cookies. Press the button. Ah! What was that? Yes. What? We died. What happened? What happened? We died. I have a cookie. Oh my god. Oh, hello. Mm. Okay. Oh, God. Ah! What's happening? What happened? Oh my god! The dog! Oh my god! Perfect. Bye bye. Bye bye, Doge. Ah! Oh, what? What happened? What? My god. Perfect. Oh, someone died. Hi. Come on. Ah! Ah! Oh! Oh, cake. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. Joker. Oh, at least we got some stuff. Yep. What? Who pressed it? Oh, I pressed it. Good. Oh my. What? What? What's happening? Wait, what? I can't do anything. What? I couldn't do anything. Here we go again. It's Diglett. Here you go. Oh my God, another Diglett. Boom. So many Diglets. No. So many Diglets. Time's up because oh, I won! Press the button. Oh, I didn't press the button. Not again. Get over here. Okay, she died. What? I didn't see him. Hold up. What? That's not fair. Oh, she died. Ha! Karma. And stand on each other. Oh my God! What is that? What is that? Press it! Press it! Press it! Press it! Press it! Ah! Where's the fire extinguisher? There's the fire extinguisher! Take it! Forward! No! Get it! Get it! Extinguish it! Extinguish it! What are you doing? Oh my God! The button's gonna explode! Oh, I knew it was gonna explode in our face. Get the button! Get the button! Get the button! To get it? Ah! Look! No! Wow! She got speed coil out. That it? Oh! Oh my God! We did. Oh! What? That's the incoming. What? How is she already there? Go there. It's not even moving. Oh my god. Ah, that one! God, go, 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 go. Ah! No, we were so close! Oh my god, we were so close. You gotta be kidding me. I know. We were so close. We were like over there. Huh? I'm recording. Wait lang. Where are the boulders even coming from? Oh, there. Where are the boulders even coming from? What? Oh my god! Ow! Press the button, press the button, press the button, press the button, press the button. Oh, what's happening? Cauldron, what happens if you go in it? Oh my god! Oh my! Oh my! Big brain boys. Wow! Okay. Giving us 1 minute. Is that even enough time? My head is so big that I look like a baby. Did it. Yay! Can we go to that cloud? I literally got first. Why is Mika always in? Why is Mika always number one? Press it. Got it. What? Oh, it's a maze. It's a dead end. More dead ends. No! We were right here. Huh? What? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? It's just to surround the but. Time's up. Let's see what the results are. Oh, you gotta press the button as much as you can. Oh, I didn't know. They were just surrounding the button. I didn't see it. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, what is that? What is that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. The button is safe. Again? Okay, well. Oh, did they change it? No! They didn't change it. It's still the same. The button already. Ah! Oh, hey, Bluesy. Go. Alright, kill someone. Ow! No, we don't need to reload. Yo, we dodged mine. Yes! Die. Come on. Kidding? Mm. No, that's it. Die, haha. But what the? Oh, who are? What the? That it? Ah, blue, blue, protect me, my friend. Please, please. Oh, oh, it was great. Oh, it's great again. Are you kidding me? Oh, Mika's here too. Oh my god. Oh my god. Great, we didn't survive though. Only one person survived. Oh my god. Ah! Is that a noob? Go trick or treating. Oh, we're all here. Let's knock on the door. Okay, Mika, go ahead. Trick or treat. A ghost answered. Watch out for its attack. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god. What is this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Woo! We won. Yes. Ghost. Oh. You get bad for surviving the ghost. Why can't I press a button? Why do I still have the hat? Ducks are falling. What? Where? Oh, there's the ducks. Catch this duck. I got it. Oh no. No! Duckies! I've only got one. No! 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 Yes! Come on. No! What? I'm lagging. Oh, I'm lagging. Well, I'm lagging and yeah. So I guess we're gonna have to end the video here. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, click the like button, subscribe to me, Clark Nash, and that's it. See you guys next time. Bye.